Image is just unbelievable, but it is only a fraction of the bigger picture here. Now, meteorologist Tony Sadiku takes us to Dilworth, where he found even more damage from falling trees.
Strong winds from this morning's severe storms completely uprooting a tree in Dilworth. Check it out, the force of this massive tree crushing the roof. You can see just how it shattered the windows there on the top floor. If you look down on the lower floor, you can see the windows are completely blown out. So much so you can see right through the building. This yellow tape on the outside of this scene. I talked to the property owner for a bit earlier today. She told me that the building has been deemed unsafe, but she told me that the roof sustained the most damage. Of course, the city has had their hands full. This is just one of many trees we've seen fallen today. Just a block away, a tree fell on a power line, blocked off East Moorhead and Euclid Avenue for hours this morning. The good news is no one was hurt. I'm also told a lot of the offices here had already begun transitioning to working remotely.